Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today's tech tip is all about checking to see if your computer can run Windows 11. In my last video, I showed you how to download the PC Health Check program, and now I'm going to show you how to run it. All you have to do is go to wherever you downloaded the program and double click on it. And then you're going to say, I accept, and then you're going to install it. When it's finished, you're going to select Finish. You're going to click on Check Now. And if you're running Windows 10 and your processor is about 6 years old or newer, and you have certain other requirements met, you'll be able to install Windows 11. These are the requirements necessary to run Windows 11. Keep in mind that after October, your computer, if you're not running Windows 11, will no longer be eligible to receive security updates, and you either want to update your operating system to 11 or get a new computer. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PCPerfect for 10% off your first visit.